Okay, we're going to do speed drill number 1, the one with the fish blowing a bubble. Okay, some are addition, some are subtraction. Make sure you pay attention to if it's asking you to add or subtract. Okay, you have 1 minute to do these. I'm going to start the timer. When the timer stops, you stop. Then you turn to the front to section 1 and write how many you missed. If you didn't miss any, put a 0. Okay, ready, go. All right, pencils down. Well, all right. So you had 1 minute to do that. Flip it over and write how many you go over it with your parents. See how many you missed and write how many you missed on the front. Good job today.